Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Ryan. This is Fine Detailing. Thank you so much for joining. If this is your first time, hit the like button down below, hit the subscribe button, share it out with some friends. I would appreciate it. So I own a professional detail shop in Scottsdale, Arizona. We also have a retail storefront. So if you're in search of supplies and you are in the Scottsdale or greater Phoenix area, feel free to stop by. We also have an online store. So if you want to support the channel, feel free to order from us. That said, in today's video, is it clapped or is it not? Just kidding. I got that term from the details guys, Sal and Joel. They call a lot of cars clapped out. So I thought that was pretty funny. So today, an interior video for you. I wanted to showcase actually a product that I've actually never used. So the product we're going to use today is called MZR by Koch Chemie. This is absolutely one of the newest interior products. I've heard really good things. This is a really actually like a high alkaline cleaner. This is a 12.5. And I actually think Green Star is a 12 or a 12.5. It's kind of right there. So it's very similar. However, they say this is designed for interiors as a special cleaner and interior. Now, the one thing they don't say it's designed for is leather. When I show you the leather in here, I think we're beyond the point of return. So I'm going to use this on the leather. I'm going to be very careful, of course. I'm not going to let it sit for too long. We'll do small sections, but there are some dye stains, some ink stains, just some general, like heavy dirt. And you know, I tried a test spot with another cleaner. It did okay, but I was sitting there scrubbing forever. So we want to make light work of it, right? So what are we going to do? We're going to reach for the appropriate chemical. We did a test spot just like we do in paint correction. So we wanted to make sure like, hey, could we go lighter? We tried to go lighter. It didn't work. It didn't work with Polestar. It helped, but it didn't work with Polestar. So we're going to go with MZR. Some of the tools we're going to use, we have our scrub pads here. This is actually my favorite. So you'll see it in action. This is the Auto Fiber Scrub Ninja Max, but you can fit your whole hand in it, right? So ergonomics, it's just much better to get around. And then kind of a sleeper product I'll show you in the video. Most people use interior towels like this, you know, like an edge, like an Edges like 365, right? I hate these towels for interiors, okay? And I'll show you what I mean in the video, but if you've ever used these, they bunch up. They're just a nightmare. So I actually like to use, this is, you can use any small drying towel. The Rag Company Liquidator one will work just fine. This is the Auto Fiber Dreadnought Max Junior. It's a 16 by 16. I think it's 1200 or 1400 GSM. I'll put up the right GSM on the screen. And it just glides over the surface faster, and I can get through the car with less towels. I typically go through two towels per car with this. I do the whole front with one towel and then the whole back with one towel. It glides over the surface. So that said, we're gonna get straight into the video. I have a kind of what I call my reset detailed today. We've washed and clayed the car. We're gonna seal it. We're gonna do phobic over it in the towel. So it's kind of a quick once around. So that'll be done. And then on the interior, we need to deep clean that bad boy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go with MZR in our IK Mini here. When in doubt, you know, ask a friend, call a friend. So I texted Sal from Details and asked them what they prefer it at. I think the instructions do say you can go, 1 to 5 to 1 to 50. So obviously we don't want to go too aggressive. This interior, I am going to go pretty aggressive. He mentioned that they go typically with like a 1 to 10, and that's a really solid dilution. So we're just going to go from there. So I have 455 milliliters of water, and then we're going to do 45 milliliters of solution. So I like to add, pro tip, let me put this flat. I like to add the water first, and then add the solution, just so in case you have a foamy mixture, you're filling it really high, it doesn't foam up on you and foam out over the bottle. So 455 ml and then 45 ml. Ooh, she's nuclear yellow. Ugh. All right, or green, whatever color that is. That's how you know it's good. And no, I'm not gonna smell this one. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna keep this on deck in the small bottle, as you know, I don't think, hopefully I won't have to reach for it that often, but we're mixed up. Let's get in the car, I'll show you what she can do. So clapped. All right. So what we're gonna do is I don't like it, it's perforated, so even though it's trash, I don't want to totally saturate it. So what I'm gonna do is prime my new bottle here. Okay. So I'm gonna spray it liberally and we're gonna go to work. Wow. It's actually like melting away in front of my eyes. Definitely need more. Look at that. Little elbow grease. I don't use steamers on interiors, no matter how bad the leather is. You know, we want to preserve it, and leather has a, you know, I'm saying leather, you know, it's leather. We all know it's fake, right? But it has a top coat to it, and it's very thin. And as soon as we introduce steam, we're likely ruining that, right? And then we're not doing any sort of preservation detailing anymore. What we're doing is just taking the cheap, fast route to get it clean and likely leaving damage for the long term. So those are my thoughts. I know a lot of you love steamers, and to each their own, no judgment, but not for me, dog. Get you some better light. How's that for your 50-50? I don't even have to pull the tape. Ooh. Good Lord. Let me know what you guys think. Like, that's pretty damn good for just a little bit of agitation. Wowza. That dirty crack. Shoot. All right. Let me mess around and see what else MZR can do. All right, so here's why I think this towel works really good for me, right? So it's a drying towel, so we're gonna spray it on, and if I'm moving quick and I'm just doing a wipe down, if I don't need to hit areas more dedicated, which I do, but for this purpose, I'm just kind of showing you. So I just open it fully, and I can do a little scrub with the towel, and you see how it's gliding on me, and it's not bunching up like smaller other towels would. And I can just move so much faster with this towel and cover more area. And, you know, it's 1200 or 1400 GSM. And so it's more absorbent, so it'll go further, right? And so depending on the level of soiling, the level of dirt, I can use, you know, 1 to 2 of these towels a car versus 5, 6, 7, you know, of the, you know, your traditional, you know, interior towels. So just a quick pro tip, I'll link to these in the description. I sell these as well. I've used these for a long time, just because, again, like the glideability, like how it glides, it doesn't bunch up on me and it doesn't get too saturated too quickly. So sorry if it sounds like I'm out of breath. I am. I've been, this car's kicking my butt, but MZR is really making light work of it. Like there was just some dye transfer, it totally removed. So I'll show you what it'll do on some mats in a minute, and I'll check back in. That was a long day. On camera, this is probably 12 or 15 minutes, but this was many hours of work. Thank you all for sticking with me. I didn't end up using MZR on the carpet. It actually wasn't that bad. It just wiped it up and turned out pretty good, vacuumed up really well, so I didn't use it. This was my first time using MZR, and you know, when it first came out, honestly, I scoffed at it a little bit, and I'm like, who needs MZR? This is so strong. If you need something more aggressive, why not Green Star? But you know what? This cut through where it's called a special cleaner, and it's you know, a little bit more aggressive. In theory, you're not supposed to use it on, you know, well kept leather. We saw what that was, so we needed it. Plus the dye transfer and the friction, or there was some ink and some dye transfer. This cut right through it. I diluted it 10-to-1. I probably won't dilute it any higher. If I'm going to dilute it higher, I'm just going to use Polestar, because Polestar is amazing. I think there is space for this in your arsenal. In the hobbyist arsenal, maybe not, but then again, maybe if you have a neglected kid mobile that you haven't touched in a while that's gotten away from you, maybe you should pick some of this up and have it on deck and mix it up when you're ready to use it. For professionals, you need this. You need this in your arsenal. You need a heavy hitter. It made light work of this. I can't say enough good things. So I'm thrilled that I have this. All the links in the description will be below. I sell this in my storefront, so if you are local, come in and pick up a bottle. I also have my e-com site, so if you want to support me, feel free to order this from me. I typically ship out orders same day, or you know, less than 24 hours. So guys, I hope that was valuable for you. I'll show you know, the end shots here. This cleaned up incredibly well. I'm very impressed. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what your go-to interior cleaner is, especially for like nuked out or clapped out interiors. But again, I hope this was helpful for you. I know interior videos aren't always the most exciting, but I wanted to feature this product because it was my first time using it. I've heard good things, and like I said, I've stocked my store with everything that I've vetted. There's a couple products that I haven't tried, but I've heard from my friends that I trust that are other professional detailers. They vouch for these products, and that's good enough for me to bring it in. And if I don't like it, right, I'll sell it out and never bring it back again. So I have this in the store. I'm sure glad I brought it in. It saved me today on this disaster detail. So that's it, guys. Until next time, thank you so much for joining. If you haven't hit subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video out, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks all.